This is Ben from shouldIGetIt.com, and this is just a quick demo testing out the Rode Wireless Go 2 versus the Rode Lavalier plugged into the Wireless Go 2. So when I was buying this, I was wondering what the sound quality would be like, if I'd need to buy the Lavalier microphone, and this is just a demo so you can decide for yourself. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Right now what I'm going to do is take off the wind protector from the top of the Wireless Go 2 and plug in the Lavalier mic. So now I have the Lavalier plugged into the Wireless Go 2 pack, and as you can see it has a clip on the back. That's how I had it clipped to my shirt, and now I could run this down my shirt and clip it into my back pocket or my belt loop, wherever I wanted. And we have a nice 3-foot cord here, and this is the sound quality from the Rode Lavalier Go plugged into the Rode Wireless Go. So if I were to unplug it, now it'll switch back to the microphone up top here. And this is the quality of the microphone. I'd usually have it clipped around here near my chest or up near my neck. And that is just a sound quality test. If you want a full review, let me know. I'll happily upload that video. But overall, I'm really happy with these microphones. You can see I've been using them in all my car videos for about 2 months now on my main channel. I'll have that link down below. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.